I'm back for All Stars, and it's Frodd. So what brings you back?
I've been here before, and I'm back to win.
What would you do differently this time around?
I would keep being Frodd, to be honest. But when it comes to my strategy, I do not have any. But when it comes to self-development, I have a lot. So a lot of myself would be, you would see a new me, a me that has probably developed into a better man.
Who are you hoping to see in the house? Why them?
Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing Mashallah. I'm looking forward to seeing Mercy, Iluzunam, Tricky, but Mike, Sheyi Awolowo. I choose to mention their names because these are people who possess similar strengths, similar characters. They were like minds, and I feel like for any reason, if I have to be in the All-Star, Biggie might just bring one of them.
In 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now.
I'm self-made. I'm very much living an almost perfect life for a young man my age. My businesses are doing perfectly well, but they need to expand and grow. So I feel like I am near accomplishment.
Complete the sentence. This season, I am definitely not.
This season, I am definitely not taking any nonsense.
How do you want to be remembered this season?
I want to be remembered as a good guy, as somebody who has evolved into a gentleman, as somebody who has learned, who has grown over the years, and somebody who people are willing to be a part of his life.
How far do you think you would make it this season, and why?
I wish I would want to play the game till people keep me as long as they want. But I wish if I have to leave early, I still feel like it's all for fun, it's cruise, it's good vibes, nothing more.
Frodd, what is your favorite show on African Magic?
My favorite show on African Magic is Flatmates.
Message to your fellow housemate.
Fellow housemates, to be honest, I'm coming back to the house matured. You have to stay away from looking for my troubles, stay away from being demeaning, stay away from me if you want to look for troubles, because I came in prepared. And to be honest, if you play dirty, I give you dirty.
Message to yourself for this season.
Message to myself for this season would be, bring back your A game, put your head in the game, make sure you make the most of it, cruise, have fun, and take no bullshit. Frodd, you've got this. Go back into the house, conquer, deliver your message, and win.
Big brother Naija.